Day 2 of hiking. Everybody's feeling good. Steven, how you feeling? See if we can put some miles down, get to a water source. Campsite number 1, bottom of the Grand Canyon, Colorado.
We did 10.5 miles last night. We just got some water. We're on the Escalante heading to the Tonto trail. Escalante.
I'm taking the one to smash this concerned day. I'm gonna push him. I'm pumping this shit, dude.
And they gave us a permit to come out here. Do that factory. Sitting somewhere at 3,400 plus. Yeah, brother. I was good. You were good. Okay. Well, that was just getting humility. That was smoother than this way. I mean, stand up. That was easy. This is the bomb. All the way up there. What?
Just breathe. Don't let it overwhelm you. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, from here time. Cause I got the handle right there. Grab it. It's heavy, but that's the way I want it. Yeah. Yeah.
Good job. Take your time, Troy. Watch your hand placement.
Here's hard, Troy.
Yeah.
Really nothing. You just got to push with your leg. I put my...
Let me, here to come. Troy's way down there. Gotta get that beach. David's coming down. He's going all the way up there. We need to go all the way down there to Troy. Showing each stuff. Just think people that do this, that the reason why we're doing this trail is that guy. Just think about people. Troy sitting up right there. Just got it. What happened last night, bro? Who interrupted camp?
Oh, Tonto.
How quick? How close?
Dude, 5 feet. 5 feet. Camp. We all had our lights on, eating, cooking, chilling. All of a sudden, something the size of a freaking cat runs up into camp, and Damien's like, "A skunk, bro, a skunk!" And he's like, we're like 5 feet from him. He's like, "Yeah, get out of here!" And we're like, oh, I'm like, oh my god.